unfulfilled. In the midst of pockets of growth and prosperity, the region is marred with widespread poverty, inequality, and unemployment. The adverse impact of environmental degradation and climate change is taking its toll on the most vulnerable for no fault of their own. Terrorism, trafficking in women, children, and drugs, and other transnational crimes pose serious threat to peace and stability in the region. Our intra-regional trade and investment flows remain the lowest in the world, mainly due to constraints like poor physical connectivity, energy shortage, and trust deficit. Flow of goods, people, and ideas remain constrained and potential under-realized. Implementation of SAFTA is hindered by tariff, non-tariff, and para-tariff barriers and suffers from slow progress in reducing the number of items in the sensitive list and constraints of trade facilitation. Challenges abound. However, the region possesses enormous resilience and capacity to transform the challenges into opportunity. We have been able to set norms, build institutions, and establish linkages among ourselves in social, economic, trade, and environmental aspects. SAARC Development Fund, South Asian University, SAARC Food Bank, commencement of SAFTA, SAARC Social Chapter, and conclusion of a host of other regional instruments constitute important milestones. They all provide a basis for cooperation, but achievements so far have not been up to our expectations. Unleashing of the region's full potentials is what our people have been eagerly waiting from us. This is where comes in the importance of the very thoughtfully conceived theme of the present summit, building bridges. Smooth physical connectivity is critical for building bridges in terms of mobility of goods, services, people, ideas, and innovation in the region. Present state of physical connectivity poses a major constraint in realizing the long-cherished vision of the South Asian integration. The region still lacks world-class networks of highways, railroads, seaports, and air connection. If we have any lesson to draw from other regions, connectivity perhaps comes as the most important element that we cannot further delay in emulating. It is our conviction that development of SAARC multimodal transport system by upgrading existing infrastructure and building new ones, as well as by providing smooth transit facilities to landlocked member states, would greatly facilitate deeper integration of the region.